Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another video. Again, here I'm taking more trees down. Probably start with taking this tree here, which is leaning away, which is going to be easy, nice and easy. And then this one here next to it, get the foliage out of here. This little one will be real quick and easy. You just cut that and push it over. The next two after that will be these two, and we'll work our way over. So I'll set the camera up and you can check it out. Took a better look at this tree here. And this one actually wants to go in this direction. I always like to try to follow the trees in the direction they want to go. It's quicker, safer, easier. And in this case, in order to allow it to fall this way, there are a few trees up in here that need to come out that I need to cut in order to prevent that tree from getting hung up on those trees. And I'm going to do all of that just so I can get this one down safely. And I wanted to do that anyways because if these trees grow tall enough, they could eventually grow tall enough to be able to come within striking distance of the house. And they're also blocking the sun, preventing the sun from getting to the front yard and the house. One step at a time, take your time. Everything will get done safer and more efficiently. When I come back, I just have to worry about that oak, and then I'll be able to take the big birch right here. But in the meantime, I have quite a bit of cleanup to do. I have pretty much all those trees all limbed, somewhat bucked up. I gotta cut these into logs, hook on some chains and pull them here out of the woods down to the driveway so I can get them over to the log pile on the other property way over there. Well, that was fun and a good workout. I appreciate you guys watching my journey here, working my way back behind my house. In case you didn't watch some of the other videos or I haven't mentioned it earlier in this video, the goal is to get a lot of the trees around these trees that are leaning cut down, and the ones that are leaning really hard towards the house that are really big and I don't feel comfortable guiding in the right direction because there's too much of a lean. I plan on bringing a boom lift going up into the tree and just slowly taking pieces of it down. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified of when we put out more of these exciting, fun new videos that are going to involve cutting trees, sawmilling, woodworking, firewood, and all sorts of other related stuff. You guys take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay cool. and we'll see you all on the next video.